did you see in Quan's game profile that made you look at him and say, let's give you it?
Well, obviously Tony and Stock has big influence there. I think what he does for the Lions, maybe there's not a 10 on his back, but he certainly comes into the mix a lot at 10, at first receiver. And we've been working with him now for, 3 years at training sessions, and we just like the way he takes the ball to the line. You know, he's an awesome defender. He's got a really great pass, and he's not bumped. You know, he's not a guy that's all afraid for if somebody runs into that channel. And I think we're lucky with having guys like Sasha. I mean, Mani, people look at his size. He's an awesome defender. And then the same with Andre. So we'd like to keep it the same. Vusi is also a great defender. So, yeah, I think it is going to be a little bit new for him to start with on 10, but he does it a hell of a lot in his franchise. Not starting at 10, alternating through gender or play at 10.
But I see Carlos first outing with Iran.